In this video, we will walk through how to add quizzes and tests to your course. From the course homepage, click on the Quizzes link. On the right, click on the Add Quiz button. Before adding any questions to the quiz, you will need to set up the quiz and specify a few parameters. Under the Details tab, give your quiz a name and include any specific instructions in the rich text editor. Next, click on the drop-down menu next to Quiz Type and select the type of quiz you are creating: Practice Quiz, Graded Quiz, Graded Survey, or Ungraded Survey. If you have created assignment groups, you can select which assignment group to place this quiz. Next, select any desired options for your quiz. Click on the box next to Shuffle Answers if you want to shuffle answers within a question. If you have any questions that have answers such as none of the above or all of the above, you'll want to avoid using the Shuffle Answers feature. If you want to place a time limit on the quiz, check the box next to Time Limit and indicate how many minutes students are allowed to have to take the quiz. If you want to give students multiple chances to take the quiz, check the box next to Allow Multiple Attempts and indicate which score should count and how many attempts students are allowed. If you want students to be able to see their quiz answers, check the box next to Let Students See Their Quiz Responses. You can then indicate if students can see their answers only once after taking a quiz. You can also allow students to see the correct answers by checking the box next to Let Students See the Correct Answers. You can then set a date for when these answers will be available and when they will be hidden. Some additional options for quizzes are Show one question at a time, Require an access code, and Filter IP addresses. Finally, assign the quiz to everyone and give it a due date. You can also set a date for the quiz to open and a date for the quiz to close. Now that you have set up your quiz, it is time to add questions. Scroll to the top of the page and click on the Questions tab. Click on the Add New Question button. Give your question a name and select the type from the drop-down menu. You can select multiple choice, true, false, fill in the blank, fill in multiple blanks, multiple answers, multiple drop-downs, matching, numerical answer, formula question, essay question, file upload question. Let's take a look at the multiple choice option. Enter the question into the rich text editor. By default, there will be space for 4 possible answers. You can add more answers by clicking the Add Another Answer link in the lower right. Once you have entered your answers, select the answer that is correct. You can also add comments for correct and incorrect answers, or a general comment for any answer. If you want your quiz to be shown to students immediately, click on the Save and Publish button. Otherwise, you can just click on Save and wait to publish the quiz at a later time. Thank you for watching this video on creating quizzes. If you want more information on how to set up the other types of quiz questions, or if you have any questions in general, please contact the Eagle Support Office.